Meet Schnell Industries, your trusted OEM partner delivering true end-to-end manufacturing all under one roof. From precision cutting, CNC bending and rolling, to MIG and advanced robotic welding, every process is engineered for accuracy, efficiency, and repeatable quality. Our 28,000 square foot powder coat facility features integrated shot blasting and tightly controlled curing processes, ensuring durable, uniform finishes built to perform in demanding environments. Within our oversized assembly bays, we seamlessly integrate structural, hydraulic, and electrical systems, producing fully assembled, ready-to-ship equipment that meets exact specifications. Backed by over 30 years of industry experience, our journey reflects steady growth, continuous improvement, and long-term commitment to excellence. From our early beginnings to today, we have expanded our capabilities and footprint, now operating from a 73,200-plus square foot facility in Winkler, Manitoba. Schnell Industries supports projects from initial concept through final delivery with integrity, schedule certainty, and scalable capacity. At Schnell Industries, every project follows a precise, proven manufacturing workflow designed for quality and reliability. Precision starts here, with clean, accurate cuts that set the foundation. Materials are shaped to exact specifications for strength and consistency. Critical components are refined with tight tolerances and high accuracy. MIG and robotic welding deliver strong, repeatable connections. Durable finishes protect, perform, and extend equipment life. Complete systems come together under one roof, efficient and reliable. Integrity first, end-to-end solutions. Customization ready, and reliable logistics. At Schnell Industries, we don't just manufacture equipment. We build long-term OEM partnerships rooted in integrity, precision, and reliability. From the first cut to final assembly, every step is designed to support your growth and deliver results you can rely on. Because here at Schnell Industries, we don't just build equipment, we build trust.